Hi everyone, this video will be a short explainer for how to use Labour Doorstep. Labour Doorstep is a software tool used to support canvassing activity and acts as a digital alternative to printed sheets. This is done using a smartphone. It requires an active internet connection to work, so be sure that the person running Doorstep on their phone has data and plenty of battery power before you begin. It is often referred to as the Labour Doorstep app. It's not an app. It is much simpler and can be accessed through an internet browser. I'll show you how to find the website now. This is the landing page that you should find when you arrive on the correct website. The first step is to log in. You will need to provide your email address and password that you use to log into all Labour Party online services. The next stage, you will be requested to provide a session ID and PIN code. These two details will be emailed to the person who made a data request. This is done when a voter ID sheet is generated via Contact Creator. Please refer to my Contact Creator video to learn how you activate this process. Welcome to Labour Doorstep. When the session ID and PIN code are entered, this is what the login page should look like. There are several ways you can interact with this software. You can set up teams of people and assign roads, but I recommend using Doorstep as a direct analog for printed sheets. That means don't worry about setting up teams. Have a single person who's logged in and whose job it is to record canvassing activity. Let's go through an example of using this program to record canvassing data. Using the session that we're currently logged in on, we're going to record activity as if I've been personally canvassed. We click this button here to look at the streets in the road group. I live at 20 Ashdown Avenue, so we will scroll down to find it. Clicking on 20 Ashdown Avenue, you will see the registered electors at that address. You see that I'm the only person registered to vote at my address. There are two ways you can interact with this elector. Clicking on the Task button, you will see several options come up. This includes Do Not Contact, casework requests, and so on. While you can record things via the app, I would recommend recording these tasks on written paper so it's to be examined later. For the moment, we can ignore these tasks here as we want to enter canvassing data. Click on the elector's name and this will take you to the voter ID questions. On this session, the questions are: what are the most important local issues to you? What is your current voting intention nationally? On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to vote Labour? Your local voting intention, and some follow-up options. Now, we will enter the responses to my questions. I have an intention to vote Labour nationally. On the scale, I am 10 out of 10, and I intend to vote Labour locally. When you've done this, click Log Contact at the bottom of the page. The data will then be entered, and you'll see that my name is now highlighted to indicate that I have been contacted in this session. Now, what if you enter this data and then realize that you've made a mistake and the data is incorrect? That's not a problem. You see here, there is a button, Reset. You press that and it resets the contact and you can enter new data. The key thing throughout the entire process is to make sure that the data you've recorded is being uploaded to the Labour Party database. We're going to go back to the home page. Press the three bars at the top right hand corner and you will see the slider open. Click Home to go back to the landing page. With this slider open, you will currently see that I am synced. This means the data I have recorded has been uploaded to the database. What I'm going to do is show you what happens if you don't have internet access when using this software. I've just turned my mobile data off. What you can do is continue recording software, but it will not be uploaded to the database. You will see that I get a warning saying that my data is out of sync. You can record information, but it's not being uploaded. What you need to do is re-establish an internet connection, open the sidebar and press reconnect. I will turn on my mobile data now, and that you can see I am now synced. At the end of a session, assuming you are correctly synchronized, all you need to do is log out. Click the three bars on the side and press the log out button. This will bring you back to the original landing page. Hopefully this video gives everyone the key skills they need to use Labour Doorstep software. Please contact me if you have any further questions or require further assistance.